Ayun guys, nagliligpit ako. So, I'm going to put away bago dumating mga bata. Quick. It's quick. Mommy. Hi guys, ready na ang aming wardrobe. We take care of our clothes. So, it's completely chaos here. Morning chaos. Magpapagawa kami ng wardrobe. So, ayan. It's messy here.
Hi, Mommy. He's coming. He's gonna come. Can I stay here until we finish?
No, you can't.
Can you come in? Oh, why is he carrying everything in our rooms?
Yeah, he will get rid of that old style wardrobe and then he will
Fine,
put the
but
good
not my
one.
bed.
Yeah, it's not.
How much money is this gonna cost?
Wala na, secret. What are you asking for?
I don't know. I thought it was free.
Do you have money?
No.
Huh? It's alright. You keep saving.
Mommy, we haven't really got much coins.
That's alright.
Are you gonna spend this?
Don't worry about it. We have
Okay.
cash.
Wow.
So when you come back, it's gonna be fixed. We're going to get rid of this mirror too. So yeah. Hello. Here. Let's check. There you go. Yeah, we're going to patch at this one. Siya yung lumang wardrobe holder before. So we have a lot. This is shoe. This is shoe. Anong tag dito? What is this, ma? Section. Shoe section here. And then we can place some clothes, shoes and everything. And then there is some drawer as well. And then uniform and everything. We can put your daddy's uniform around here. Okay, we're going to check David's room. Medyo maliit nga lang ito. So, we're going to get ready yung chest drawn ni David kasi that is a baby stuff. And of course, I think we're going to get rid as well this painting and draw board and then that chair kasi gusto niya na ng desk kasi diba hindi na si David, so we're going to arrange. Ayan, sorry about the mess, marami pa kaming kalat. We're going to change the mats and here you go, we're going to check his simple lang kay David kasi ang liit na. Ayun. Pwede pala sa taas din. Pwedeng lagyan yung mga toys and everything. Ayan. Pwedeng lagyan ng mga toys, Lego boxes and everything. Hanger dito. Ayan. I-check natin ang other side, guys. Nabumutla ako. Ang lamig dito, guys, ha. Iyon ang ducted aircon namin nakalagay dito kaya lalong lumit yung room ni David. So, here his draw. Ay, wala pala siyang draw. So, bali, ganyan lang kasimple yung kay David. Ayan. Kaya, I'm starting to clean it up and set it up. I don't know if I'm going to arrange these beds. Testingan lang natin kung ano maging ganap. Yan. Yan guys. Inisin natin ang aming kabuk. Kasi taas ngayon si David. sensitive ang asthma ni Tutoy ngayon after COVID. So, ayan, misjab tayo guys. Ayan, ang ganda kasi pwede mo siyang tanggalin. So, pwedeng nilagay yung mga hindi na nilagyan ng drawer kasi it's a small space. Saka, mayroon naman siyang ganito. So, yan guys. Ayan. Basta ang dumi guys, sorry. That is my next project. Resembling David's room. Updating David's room. Ayan. Yung plantation vine namin na pinaayos din, so which is good. We're getting there, malapit na. Hi guys, ayun na nga, I show you before yung result ng bagong wardrobe nila Tutoy. So lilinisin ko kasi nga nararamdaman ko na nagsisikip na yung throat ko, so because it's brand new, yung alam mo yung bagong yung smell nila. So, I need to wipe it kasi nga si David is asthmatic. So, uubuhin siya ng ubuhin. Ako nga kanina, nakaupo lang kanina, unuubo na ako. So, I need to wipe it guys. Let's go. Ayan guys. Ilalagay ko lang dito, okay? Para nakapatong lang siya. So, we need to buy a paint para i-paint yung mga tinanggalan na dating yung dating hangiran dati before. So, I'm going to wipe it na para pagdating ng mga bata, ready na ang kanilang wardrobe. Yeah, look. See? Yung shoe racks namin nasa ibaba. So, magiging dito na namin ilalagay yung shoe racks. Ay, yung yung mga shoe nila, Tutoy. So, marami na kaming space sa ilalim. So, ang ilalagay ko na lang sa ilalim yung mga boxes siguro. O yung mga traveling cases, gano'n. Diba? Mawala-wala yung amoy ba? This is our shutter. That's the good thing here too. You can remove this one. It's removable. Kung may malaking kang mga bulb na pwedeng ilagay, so you can remove as well like this. They are all removable. Yeah, even though this one. See? You can put cases or luggage here and everything. This is shoe. On the top. And you can put something on the top as well. Hi guys! Ibabalik ko yung mga jacket and jumper ni daddy niya, saka yung mga pang winter namin dito. Kasi we have enough space naman for Matthew, so we must reuse it kasi it's overfull as well so our wardrobe. Next time, yun naman ang namin papaayos, yung wardrobe naman namin. As of now, marami kaming mga damit na ipapadala sa Pinas, lalo na mga baby clothes, so hintayin nyo yan guys. So maswerte yung mga makakakuha kasi nga from birth to 0 infant, 300 as in baby pa, to upward like 1 year old, like that 1.5 years old ang mga damit na pamimigay ko. So guys, ayun guys, nagliligpit ako, so I'm going to put away bago dumating yung mga bata. Yan. Quick, it's quick, mommy.
No. This is not new.
What is the new? Oh, slowly.
So why you put the old one here? Why is it the old one? Why is the old one? Oh, there's a new one. Where's my new one?
There you go.
Oh. Hey, why he got two? Why is it all covered here? Mine is.
There's nothing there. No, don't climb there or else you're gonna fall down.
But wait, what's all this about? Why is there so much stuff here?
Here's your bag, Kuya, now. From now on, your bag. See?
Matthew, get got.
You got your own boots, baby.
Yeah, you've been on the right. Back.
Back now,
Okay,
quickly.
quick.